In this lecture, I will show you how you can change Wi-Fi MAC address. Okay, so for change, first you need to add Wi-Fi adapter on your device. So I already added. Let's see is it available or not. So they're showing. See, it's for USB. On they're showing no USB device attached. So right click on there. Now on they're showing yeah on their available LAN adapter. If you want to add, you can. So click on there for add. Okay. Now see is it add or not. See on there showing right sign, that means it's add, and also showing a circle, that means it's adding. Okay, on the showing red, that means it's not add properly. Okay, it will. If on the showing green, that means it's add properly. Okay, let's see is it add or not. On there nothing show on there. Okay, if it's add properly, then on there showing will show Ethernet and all available Wi-Fi. Okay, so open the terminal. You can also use ifconfig for see is it add or not. Okay, if I enter ifconfig, now it will take some time because it's not attached properly. So okay, so wait a few seconds. Maybe now it will work. Let's see. Now see on the showing Ethernet. Now I am connecting with Ethernet. Also have available Wi-Fi networks showing. Okay. Now use ifconfig for check is it add or not. See on this showing LAN 0, it's a Wi-Fi adapter. Okay. Interface name is LAN 0, and on this showing the IP. Okay. So now I want to change the IP. So for this, first you need to go a root user. If you not a root user, then some command won't work. So first to go to sudo su, then give the password, then cd, then again I have okay, first clear the screen, then again type ifconfig. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to change the ether. So for this I need to down this one. Okay, so for down use ifconfig LAN 0 down. Now it's down. So let's check is it down or not. So again type ifconfig. Now see on there don't show the LAN 0. Okay, so let's check actually is it available or not. So use ifconfig LAN 0. On there showing yeah it's available, but on there don't show, that means it's down at this time. So I want to change the MAC address, so use ifconfig LAN 0. Then it's a hardware, so use hardware. Then the name is ether. See, okay, so give this one, then give the value. Suppose I want to give this one the MAC address on there. You can also change, you can give randomly, but remember on there available 6 for everyone has 2 value. See, you can use smaller a to z, also you can use capital A to Z and 1 to 9. You can't use a special character on there. Okay, let's enter. Now before up this one, first we need to check is it works or not. So use ifconfig LAN 0 on the showing yeah it's changed. So again use ifconfig for check is it down or not. Yeah, it's down, so we need to up for works. Okay, so use ifconfig LAN 0. Okay, see is the interface name. So if your interface name is another one, then you must give the your interface name. Okay, then up. Okay, for up, then enter, and again it takes sometimes for change your value. Okay, so let's see here on there it's have, but it takes sometimes for setup. Okay, it will restart. So okay, now again use ifconfig for check is it actually works or not. Okay, so enter. Now see the MAC address is changed. Okay, so this way you can change any once. Okay.